Welcome! If you're looking to personalize your Discord experience and want to know how to turn off sync profile themes on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you want a unique look for your profile or just want to stop your theme from syncing across devices, this quick and updated guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up a new menu filled with options to customize your Discord experience. Now, here's where you'll find the setting you're looking for. Scroll down through the Accessibility menu until you see the option called Sync Profile Themes. By default, this might be turned on, which means your chosen theme is syncing across all devices where you use Discord. To turn off this feature, simply tap the toggle next to Sync Profile Themes. When the toggle switches off, your profile theme will no longer sync across devices. This means you can set different themes on different devices, or just keep your mobile Discord experience unique to you. And that's it. It's a super simple process, but it gives you more control over how your Discord looks and feels on your phone. If you ever want to turn syncing back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your Discord experience even better. Have a great day and enjoy customizing your Discord profile just the way you like it.